We have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. Now, this is about the no trust motion against the Speaker of Lok Sabha. We're given to understand 10 hours allotted for the debate, and Congress party is preparing its floor strategy at the moment. Congress party deciding who the speakers are going to be, who will be talking about the subject. Gaurav Gogoi to lead the attack, Congress party's attack. Congress party also feels Manish Tiwari. So Gaurav Gogoi will lead. Manish Tiwari would also be speaking. Apart from that, we're given to understand Dipender Hooda, Jyoti Mani have also been listed. Let's go across to Mohit, who's getting us more details. Mohit, 10 hours allotted for a debate on the no trust motion against the Speaker.
So yes, in fact, 10 hours have been allotted for the no trust motion, and we know for a fact that how the Congress party today held their meeting, and after that it has been decided that Congress has fielded Manish Tiwari, Dipender Hooda, Jyoti Mani, other senior and Gaurav Gogoi for debate and discussion on the no trust motion. We also know for a fact that how the opposition parties, they have been saying this, that there have been a certain bias with the working and functioning of Lok Sabha Speaker, and perhaps that is why this removal notice has been brought in by the opposition parties. While the BJP has also readied their speakers, and from the BJP side, Anurag Thakur, Nishikant Dubey, and other leaders would be speaking. But when it comes to the Congress side, Gaurav Gogoi will lead the charge along with Manish Tiwari, Dipender Hooda, Jyoti Mani. In all, when it comes to Lok Sabha, 10 hours have been allocated for this, and we have to wait and watch how exactly this will pan out and when exactly the debate will start, given the fact that how the opposition parties, as soon as the parliament proceedings, specifically in Lok Sabha, starts, they keep on raising the slogans, because the opposition parties have made it clear that they want debate and discussion on the situation in West Asia. The mere statement by the External Affairs Minister would not suffice, and perhaps that is why they are demanding a proper debate and discussion on what exactly is happening about the energy issues, energy security, about how Indians are stranded over there, about the security of Indian diaspora, and also they have been raising question that why it took 6 days for the government to come out and have a condolence message on the death of Iran's supreme leader.
Absolutely. Mohit, this is what the Congress party, the opposition, was demanding: charcha on no trust motion. They are also demanding a discussion on the situation escalating in the Middle East as well. So, or at least one issue, 10 hours allotted for a debate. Congress party at the moment working out its strategy. What we are also given to understand is that Gaurav Gogoi is going to lead the charge.
Well, yes, in fact, Gaurav Gogoi, Manish Tiwari, Jyoti Mani, Dipender Hooda will be the speakers from the Congress side, and as in all, 10 hours have been allocated. So we have to wait and watch what exactly that will start from the BJP side. The likes of Anurag Thakur, Nishikant Dubey, they will be speaking. So it will be a very fiery debate. We know for a fact that how Nishikant Dubey is known to attack the top leadership of the Congress party, specifically Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, and he has also been making certain allegations against former Prime Minister of the country, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Indira Gandhi. So that debate would be very fiery. Whatever he says will be noted by the opposition, specifically the Congress party, and they might have certain objections on that. But then it all depends on when exactly the debate starts. And also, Swati, the opposition party, specifically the Congress, have said that before any debate, they want a proper debate and discussion on the situation in West Asia, because they say that the energy security, the situation on the ground, the oil prices, the gas supply, everything has to be decided in that particular debate and discussion. While we saw that how S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister, has made a statement, he has spoken about that how India is monitoring the situation, and dialogue and diplomacy is always India's preference. But then there has been massive ruckus in the Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha too, the sloganeering happened. But then we have to wait and watch when exactly the debate will start.
All right, Mohit, thank you for getting us the details. Meanwhile, Kiran Rijiju hit out at opposition in Parliament while questioning the real intent of the opposition. Kiran Rijiju asked if opposition has moved the motion, then why are they protesting?
आप लोग क्या एक परिवार, एक आदमी पूरा देश का महाराजा है क्या? इस देश में संविधान है, इस सदन में रूल है। आप लोग अपना ही दिया वाला रूल को नहीं मानते हैं। मैं कांग्रेस के जो थोड़ा सीनियर है, जो सीनियर इस हाउस में रहे, मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ, थोड़ा अंतरात्मा में झांक के देखिए। आप जो ये हरकत कर रहे हैं, ये इससे क्या भला हो रहा है देश का, और संसद का गरिमा को आप लोगों ने हमला गिराया है। अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं खंडन करना चाहता हूं और फिर से अनुरोध करता हूं, जो प्रस्ताव आप लोगों ने लाया है, अनावश्यक जो प्रस्ताव लाया है, उस पर चर्चा करने के लिए हम लोग पूरा तैयार है। आप हिम्मत है तो अभी शुरू करो, हम लोग चर्चा के लिए तैयार है।
All right, so after the Congress party has prepared its floor strategy and has made a decision on who is going to lead Congress's charge, we're given to understand that the BJP is ready to fight back. The stage is set for Sansad Showdown. List of BJP speakers also accessed. BJP is ready with its set of leaders and its strategy as well. Kiran Rijiju would be leading the government's counter. Apart from him, you have Tejasvi Surya, Nishikant Dubey, Anurag Thakur, all of them in attack mode to fight back. So the Speaker Rao escalating. 10 hours allotted for a debate on the motion brought in by the opposition, removal of Speaker. That's what their demand was. Now we're given to understand 10 hours have been allotted. Congress party is ready with its list of speakers, with its floor strategy. From the Congress's side, Gaurav Gogoi would be leading the attack. Whereas the government is concerned, it's going to be Kiran Rijiju and Anurag Thakur, Nishikant Dubey, Samit Patra, who would all be speaking on the issue. So, no trust motion against the Speaker. Congress party is ready with its list of speakers, as is the Bharatiya Janata Party. The stage is set for a showdown. Not just the issue of no trust motion. The Congress, remember, along with others in the opposition, also demanding a discussion on foreign policy. Earlier, we saw how there was constant sloganeering when the External Affairs Minister was trying to make a statement on the situation escalating in West Asia. So opposition is demanding a discussion, a debate on that as well. But at the moment, the big breaking news that we are getting is that 10 hours have been allotted for a debate on the no trust motion against the Speaker brought in by the opposition. And both BJP and Congress are ready with their list of speakers, also ready with their floor strategy.
कृपया आप लोग अपनी अपनी सीट पर चले जाएं। एक महत्वपूर्ण विदेश मंत्री का वक्तव्य आ रहा है। आप लोगों से आग्रह करूं, पूरा देश देख रहा है। इंटायर नेशन इज वाचिंग टू योर कंडक्ट। नाउ फॉरेन मिनिस्टर ही वांट टू गिव एन स्टेटमेंट ऑन फॉरेन पॉलिसी। आप कृपया, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? विदेश मंत्री जी का वक्तव्य आना है। कम से कम आप जो मांग कर रहे हैं, शायद उसका उत्तर मिल जाएगा। माननीय मंत्री जी का स्टेटमेंट आ रहा है। मैं आप सबसे आगे, आप अपने लोग समझाइए। केसी वेणुगोपाल जी, आई विल रिक्वेस्ट दैट यू मस्ट आस्क टू योर मेंबर्स, दे शुड वैकेट द वेल। देन मिनिस्टर का स्टेटमेंट आ रहा है, माननीय विदेश मंत्री।
And with that, we are slipping into a very short break. We have a lot more lined up for you on the other side. Stay on with us.